Hello mga ka-Orchids! So, it's Dainty again, back at it again with a new vlog. We're going to talk about sustainable architecture. So, tayong mga aspiring architects, kinoconsider natin lagi ang environment kung saan natin itatayo ang or ida-design ang ating future home or future client's home, 'di ba? So, we always try to create the best design that will not affect the environment itself and ruin it, 'di ba? So, in connection with that, we are going to talk about sustainable architecture, the benefits of it, tsaka yung mga halimbawa nun. So, first, what is sustainable architecture? Ano nga ba ito? So, sustainable architecture is an architecture that seeks to minimize the negative environment impact of building by efficiency and modernization, use of materials, energy, development space, and ecosystem at large. So, it also referred as green architecture or environmental architecture, if you haven't heard of that. So, yun nga, pinapromote noon ang nature, ang trees, parang ini-incorporate ang design doon sa nature. So, it challenges us architects to produce smart designs or innovative design and use available technology that ensures the structure generate minimal harmful effect to the ecosystem and communities. So, imagine natin na merong isang lote. Tapos, tingin mo na convenient yon para pagtayuan ng bahay mo. So, ang problema lang, meron itong, sabihin na natin, 100 trees na nakaplant doon at ang trees na to ay native trees at malapit na mawala. Parang sila na lang yung last kind ng kung hindi mo concern ng environmental sustainability, syempre, ikakat mo lahat yon para magtayo ng design mo doon, ng bahay mo doon. Pero, instead na makita ng mga future child or future kids ito, hindi na nila makikita kasi kinat mo na nga. So, ang sustainable architecture ay ginagamit na all over the world. So, some green building practices are becoming mandatory. At least napoprotect na ang environment as well as nag-expand lalo ang knowledge ng mga tao sa architecture. Let's take a look at some inspiring examples around the world that demonstrate eco-friendly way to build sustainable architecture. So, first example is the Bird's Nest. So, the National Olympic Stadium, aka the Bird's Nest, it is located in Beijing, China, and was designed by Swiss architects Herzog and de Meuron for 2008 Olympics. The stadium incorporates are all built self-contained units, which allows interior facade to remain mostly open. So, it resembles a bird's nest daw. So, the exterior facade allows for natural ventilation of the stadium, which is important aspect of sustainable architecture. So, example number 2, the Center for Sustainable Development. The Center for Sustainable Development is located in Montreal, Canada. Tinayo ito para mag-serve sa models para sa mga environmental conscious construction. So, considered ito ng karamihan na siya ang pinaka-greenest building sa Canada. So, it is a must-see for everyone or anyone who is interested in eco-building technology. So, the centers offer free guided or self-guided tours that include a 5-story living wall that acts as natural air filter, countertops that are made from recycled glass, geothermal heating and cooling system, raised floor heating. It even features artwork display made from 100% organic materials. So, ngayon, may alam na tayo na onting halimbawa ng sustainable architecture. It is now time that we all know what is the impact and relation to the current event we're facing on. So, ang climate ay nagbabago na. Diba? So, ganun din dapat ang architecture. Kailangan nito mag-adapt sa current status ng climate natin. So, there's a consensus international scientific community that human activity is a driver of global warming. Totoo naman na tayo talaga. So, there's over 95% probability that human actions over the past 50 years have warmed our planet. Kasi sinisira talaga natin unti-unti yung planet natin. So, sinabi ito ng Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change in its 5th Assessment Report. So, building account for nearly 40% of all greenhouse gas emissions, or GHGs, according to Architecture 2030. Add in other infrastructure and activities such as transportation that are associated with buildings, and that number jumps. So, by doing green architecture or sustainable architecture, natutulungan tayo nito para i-reduce ang impact nito sa mga buildings na nagko-contribute ng climate change, while also building resiliences to our homes and communities. High-performing green buildings, particularly LEED certified buildings. Ang LEED po, meaning nito ay Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. So, ginagamit talaga to sa mga green building rating system around the world. It provides the means to reduce the climate impacts of building to their inhabitants. So, kapag ang building ay nagko-consume ng less water, the energy and GHGs otherwise required to withdraw, treat, and pump the water from the source to the building are avoided. So, all of these strategies significantly reduce the carbon footprint of our buildings and occupants beyond what energy efficiency alone does. So, providing inhabitant feedback with systems like ARC, while showcases a building's environmental efforts and performance, so can drive further reductions. Green buildings can be a part of the solution in combating climate change. Ayun na nga, tapos na tayo. Na-discuss na natin ang sustainable architecture. So, this is again Dainty, reminding you to go green.